In this video, I'm going to show you a Chrome extension called Tinkercad. This application is designed for future engineers, designers, architects, and planners. And this is not just another Chrome extension. This is made by a leading technology company called Autodesk. And you must have heard about their software called AutoCAD, which is used by almost any types of engineers, whether mechanical, electrical, architect, and also in some other fields. And Tinkercad Chrome extension is freely available for teachers and parents with all of its features. They also provide some lesson plans for teachers, and parents can also use them for their children. And this Chrome extension is focused for students of grade around 6 to 10. And what this does is that it improves the computational thinking skills of students. They start to think logically. They learn few skills which will help them in future to design big projects like bridges, big buildings, or develop some highly sophisticated algorithms. So Tinkercad is extremely useful Chrome extension for future designers and engineers. And I'm going to show you an overview of this Chrome extension on my computer in a minute. But just briefly, this application has three main components. Number one is a 3D design editor where students design 3D structures by combining 3D shapes. So they learn how the coordinate system works, what is a 2D shape and a 3D shape, and how 3D shapes can be combined or subtracted from one another. So these kind of things. The second important component of Tinkercad is an electrical circuit board designer, where students learn about electrical systems, what is voltage, current, resistance, how they are related. So they try to design electric circuits in a very simplistic way. And the third important component of Tinkercad is a coding editor, where students learn how to code. So there are some very simplistic statements. For example, by changing the length, width, and height, the shape of the 3D cube will change. And they will understand that what is the effect of changing length, width, or height. And the idea behind is that these skills cannot be developed instantly. And students must be given an opportunity in the early stage of their academic career to start thinking logically, to improve the computational thinking and analytical skill. And then when they grow up and they go to a college or university, they will be able to grasp those concepts very easily if they have some background. So this is the idea behind Tinkercad. And now without further ado, I'm going to show you an overview of Tinkercad, which will help you get started with this application after a short break. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tahir and I make videos about online technology tools for teachers and students. If you are interested in this topic, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video on this channel. Now to get this Chrome extension, simply type Tinkercad Chrome extension in Google search bar and press enter. You will see this page. Click on that. This is the extension because I have already installed the extension. Now I can see this visit website. You will see a add to Chrome button. You click on that and it will be installed within a minute. And then you click on this visit website and I am just straight into my dashboard, but you will see a sign in button here. You click on that and then you sign in using your Google account. So let me close these two tabs, and once you sign in using your Google account, you will see this dashboard. And on the left hand side, these are the three important parts of Tinkercad Chrome extension: 3D designs, circuits, and code block. And then you also have some lessons which you can use as a teacher. And in particular, if you are a technology teacher, then Tinkercad is a must-have Chrome extension for you because this is the technology Chrome extension, I would say. So let me show you few of these features. So let me first click on this gallery, and these are some of the designs already done, some from Autodesk staff members and some could be from other community members using Tinkercad, and you can load even more designs. Let's go back. You can also access lesson plans from here, but first we are going to create a new design. So if I click on that, now I will see this powerful workspace where I can design 3D objects simply by dragging these shapes into this work plane. And if you are familiar with 3D design, you should be familiar with this, what is a work plane and what are these shapes. This is a cube or box, this is a cylinder, then there is a sphere, a cone, text, and some other shapes are also available. So students can select any shape and then they can modify it in this area by simply clicking on this square boxes, these small white color square boxes. If I click and drag, the size of this geometrical shape will change. Students can also rotate this by clicking and moving the mouse in this area at any angle. Then on the left hand side they have this copy, this duplicate and repeat, and once they have few objects, I put another object, and now when I select this and I press shift and select the other one, then I have this group feature available and also the align feature, because these features are dependent on the context in which I am using this application. So I also get some questions about which application is good for 3D shapes, and I recommend GeoGebra graphic calculator. Also Desmos has a graphic calculator, but this is very powerful and very simplistic Chrome extension for 3D design. And you might have noticed that there are only few tools, but these are so powerful that they can do almost any simplistic design operation. And if I click here on this work plane with my right mouse and I click and then rotate, I can see the other side of this 3D object, as you can see. And in this way students get to know how 3D objects behave. And if I scroll my wheel, I can zoom in if I scroll in the forward direction, or zoom out if I scroll in the backward direction. If I click on this solid, now it's a solid, I can make this as a whole. You can insert notes here as well. If I click and drag, I can insert any note in this area, something I can write here. And then with this switch you can toggle on and off all these notes. Currently we are in this 3D design tab. You can also go to this blocks tab where you can use these blocks for making structures. So this was a brief overview of 3D design editor of Tinkercad. So let's go back and now let's have a look at some of the lesson plans. As you can see that all these lesson plans are available. So for example, we click on this design and inclusive play space. So students will design some park play space, something like this, as you can see here. So let's click on that and see what this lesson plan offers. As you can see that this is an activity for grade 5 to 8 students. The duration of this activity or lesson plan should be 8 hours. These are the subjects in which this activity can be performed. These are the skills students are going to learn, and there are some more as well. You can click on this send to students and then you can directly send this to your Google Classroom, or you can copy a link and you can send that link to your students, and your students will be able to perform the design operation. The most important thing here is this evaluation rubric. If you are a new technology teacher or a math teacher or science teacher, these evaluation rubrics are very useful for you, because this will give you an idea of how you are going to mark this activity. So I click on that, and this is a one-page PDF, but this is extremely important because you have all the learning outcomes written here, and you can assign some marks to all these learning outcomes, that what students should learn by performing this 8-hour lesson plan. So this is very useful. Let's close this. And now on the left hand side, as you can see, that these are the breakup of all this 8-hour lesson plan. You click on this build context and you will see some details here, and similarly you move step by step and students will perform all these 3D design activities. So it's a detailed lesson plan and there are many available. As you can see here, you can start with a simplistic one and then you can move on to others. So you can realize how powerful Tinkercad Chrome extension is for teaching technology and computational thinking. Let's go back. Now at the end I would like to show you this code blocks a little bit about this. So let's click on this. As you can see that this is a very simplistic table design. And if I click on this Tinker This, it will show me the code editor. And on the left hand side, this is the block panel. Then we have this coding editor, and on the right hand side, we have a display. And we can click on this, and as you can see on the left hand side that it is moving one by one. So let me show you once again because it moves a little bit quick. So you will notice that it moves one by one through all these steps. So let me click once again. And you notice this black rectangle. So let me move this to the left, and what is happening here is that you defined few variables: width, length, height. Then you add a block. You can change the color if you like, let's say green, and now you click on this and this time it will appear green. So then for width you assign this width variable, whatever the value here, you can change the value here. Let's say change this to 75. And now I click on this again, and now the size of the table will change. So these are very simplistic programming parameters. When students will do this, they will start to understand how things change by changing the variable, and they will get an understanding of programming, because variables are the building block of any programming language. And once they understand how variable change the design, they are basically becoming programmers. So this was a very simple example, but there are more complex examples available, and I might make another or one or two tutorial about Tinkercad in future. And now I think you got the understanding of how useful Tinkercad Chrome extension is for technology students to improve their computational skills and to improve their design skills. And these two are essential skills for future engineers, designers, architects, planners, these kind of professionals. So I hope that you like this video and it will help you get started with Tinkercad Chrome extension. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.